So testing. This is full HD of this camera called Panasonic HC-V180. At the Laoyat, what you call it? Laoyat Plaza, first floor. 1,200 ringgit for this camera, very compact. It's 5 axis, but this one has the, you don't get to see it like the Sony 4K one. So it says on the side of the LCD, Panasonic Full HD 5 axis hybrid OIS optical image stabilizer level shot function, 10 megapixels still picture recording, 28mm wide, and 90 times zoom. So let's test. Camera panning is too fast. So the stabilization, let's see.
Hi. 64 SD card berapa lagi? Dah sama sana.
Let's test the zoom. Very smooth. Now 62 times. Now it's 11 times. Now it's no time, or 1 time. And this one is 90 times the most. 90 times. Holding my breath. Wow, you can zoom until
ini tak cukup tak boleh pakai. Apa beza harga ni? Dari saya pakai yang ni kan 32.
Not bad, the stabilization. The extra battery, how much?
Extra battery 320.
Ini apa?
Original.
160.
320. Original. How long can it last?
Standby 3 hours. Just
20 ringgit aja. Dah 60 ringgit different.
2.5 hours.
Apa different ni?
Of continuous usage.
Yeah.
90. Meaning?
Okay, that's the end of it. You when was it?
Last year November.
2016.
Tapi minimum requirement memang untuk 4K dah. Tapi
Fan buying battery then how much?
lama kan, XP ni mungkin akan ada miss.
Also
certain place kan, mostly
original.
Dia ada lagging sikit. Kalau yang ni memang tak ada.
home hole battery.
Tức là tia là cái warranty original warranty.
Support kan. I mean punya laptop support with
Just test the difference lah.
Okay.
Kalau you stop into 4K lah.
sekarang kalau let's say saya tak record untuk 4K, so this one enough lah.
More than enough.
Do you have any?
So like all stop
Dia telefon pun tak support.
Oh, you still recording one?
係啊，
Oh, 咁樣。
stop 到。
I mean,
哦，有咁樣嘅 function 㗎。
肯定啊，你頭先有撳 stop 嘛？
laptop saya pun
冇
tak support.
我整到你 automatic 刪會
哦，
刪。
刪係刪，頭先你 record 緊嘛，啱冇？你有 stop 冇？
Ini hang tak support.
你 start 咗肯定，你幾時我 stop 佢唔知道㗎嘛？
哦，你唔知道哦
咁。
哦 that's weird
Yes，
because my old camcorder close it off。
佢會 off， 但係你直頭 close 就係 off 係咪？咁可以。
頭先冇啊，so I have to off it。